Hi all, welcome to FreshersWorld YouTube channel. A great news for you. We have come up with resume samples for you. Though if you are a fresher or if you are an experienced person, we have different samples for you which are absolutely downloadable. This is a creative resume and we are also uploading different resumes over here. And if you want anything in particular, you can also comment below. And before going to the link part where you have to go and where you have to download these resume samples, this video is being sponsored by Unacademy. Unacademy has come up with non-CAT test series and mock tests are absolutely for free of cost. Then this test series contains mock tests for MBA entrance exams like IIFT, NMAT, IIFT, SNAP, MH-CET, TISSNET and many more. And if you want to subscribe for any paid package, you can absolutely get 10% of discount by using a referral code freshersworld. I will be keeping that freshersworld referral code in the description below. You can also go through that. And with this test series, they will cover quantitative aptitude, data interpretation, decision making, analytical and logical reasoning, verbal ability and reading comprehension. So it provides sufficient number of MBA mock tests for each exam. These tests will help you to track how your preparation has been progressing. So all the best for the people who are planning for MBA entrance exams. I'll be keeping the Unacademy link in the description below. You just go through that. So this site, what you're looking for is a blog of Freshers World. So you can absolutely go here by just typing blog.freshersworld.com, and the latest blog is about resume writing tips. So here in this blog, we have already kept a link which will be redirecting to this place where you can download all the resume samples. So this is made of PSD, which is Photoshop. If you have access to offline Photoshop, you can absolutely go and edit according to your personal details. And even if you go for here, these are completely editable. If you can see here, I can change anything. So people who are planning to edit these resume samples, I personally suggest you to go for each and every point in this blog, because for some sort of people some points will be applicable, where in some cases objective is needed and where in some cases objective is not needed. You also have to see for which kind of people 1-page resume is required and for what kind of people 2-page resume is required. Before going to that link, just go through all these points, so you will also get to know whether the step what you're doing is right or wrong. So after reading the whole blog content, you will get to see this link where I have kept the resume samples. So just go through this blog content and read each and every point. If there is any corrections on the resume parts, the whole content what I have kept in these 3 samples or 4 samples are only for your reference points. So you have to change it everything according to your personal profile. So all the best guys, before downloading and before editing, just go through all the points. It will be very useful. And if you really feel that this video gonna help you for making your first resume, do like this video and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.